Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best hard-folding trifold tonneau covers on Amazon. There are a lot of things that make trucks great, but the bed is always the main attraction. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Backflip MX4 Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. It's hard to argue that any hard-folding tonneau cover is better than the Backflip MX4. The decision to crown it with the title of Best Overall is primarily based on the ability to uncover the entire bed as needed. Unlike many others, all panels can lift up and out of the way, eliminating the need to remove the cover altogether to transport large cargo, and that's still something of a game changer there is to like, though. It's also made from aluminum to provide the best mix of weight savings and security, and is backed by a 5-year warranty. As for the downsides, it is one of the costliest options out there. Despite that, there are far too many reports of quality control issues to ignore. What we like about it: flips completely out of the way to uncover the entire bed. Aluminum construction. Backed by a 5-year warranty. What don't we like about it? Premium price point. Quality control issues are common. Number 2. Backflip G2 Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Back is back at it, but this time the Backflip G2. This is an affordable alternative to those that want the legendary function without going too high in price. This cover features 3 panels, all of which can be flipped up to provide access to the entire bed. It does not impede the stake pockets, and the low-profile design provides that sleek look many truck owners desire. What we like about it: flips to uncover the entire bed. Does not cover stake pocket holes. Backed by a 5-year warranty. What don't we like about it? Quality control issues are relatively common. May not fit some makes and models properly. Number 3. DNA Motoring Hard Trifold Tonneau. There's no question that hard folding covers are often priced out of budget for truck owners, which is why DNA Motoring is an obvious candidate for many. At roughly half the price of the bigger name brands, it's a hard folding cover that does many things well. The aluminum panels offer the structural rigidity you demand, it's easy to install and doesn't look half bad. And no, it's not overly cumbersome with a weight of just 70 pounds. While it's good, it's certainly not the best. It does block the stake pocket holes, which can cause some considerable issues, namely, preventing the use of bed rails and other accessories. Also, it is apparent that quality can see improvements, especially when it comes to the seals, creating some fitment issues. What we like about it: affordable price point. Easy to install. Lightweight construction. What don't we like about it? Covers stake pocket holes. Quality can see improvements. Number 4. Xtang Solid Fold 2.0 Hard Folding Tonneau Cover. Xtang is one of the leading names in this industry, so it's no surprise to see Solid Fold 2.0 as a top pick. Ease of installation is something many appreciate about this cover, but that hardly separates it from any of the other top offerings. That said, it's the versatility that makes it stand out. This cover can come in configurations that allow the use of toolboxes, headache racks, and more. A solid 3-year warranty also backs it to protect you from anything that may have gone wrong during production. Unfortunately, the use of accessories mounted to the front of the bed is all it will work with. This cover does block the stake pocket holes. Also, it is worth pointing out that quality control issues are commonly complained about by reviewers. What we like about it: easy to install. Configurations compatible with toolboxes and headache racks. Backed by a 3-year warranty. What don't we like about it? Covers stake pocket holes. Quality control issues are relatively common. Number 5. Access Lomax Hard Folding Tonneau Cover. If you don't want a hot tub cover on the bed of your truck, the Lomax is one of the best options out there. It's designed to sit flush with the bedsides to provide that sleek look many truck owners need. That also allows it to leave the stake pockets wide open, making it a practical choice for work trucks, if nothing else. What we like about it: sleek, distinctive looks. Leaves stake pockets uncovered. Backed by a 3-year warranty. What don't we like about it? Adhesive on seals can see improvement. quality control issues are somewhat common. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products